So these makeup tutorials on YouTube make it look so easy, but putting makeup on is actually kind of tricky. Are you ready for an easy makeup routine that's gonna make you look younger? I want to start off with a quick beauty tip. Are you staying hydrated? Because if you're not, you wear it under your eyes with dark circles. I drink 2 of these Starbucks cups before noon. They're 24 ounces, and then I drink 2 full cups with each of my meals, so I get 96 ounces of water a day. I've linked this cup in the description box below. So you're only gonna need one color. I've chosen this great taupe color by Bobbi Brown. It's so neutral, it's so pretty for fall. And you'll need this. You'll need this mascara. It's by Prime Prometics. This mascara is great. You'll need an eyelash curler and you'll need a brush. And you'll only need these 4 products. I've linked them below. And this taupe color looks good on just about everyone. So that's all you need. Again, I've linked them below. So let's get started. So these makeup tutorials on YouTube make it look so easy, but putting makeup on is actually kind of tricky. So don't be hard on yourself if you don't know how to put makeup on. It's not as easy as it looks. So anyway, when we put the shadow on, we're not going to go all the way down like this or to here. We're going to go to here. We're going to cheat up a little bit, and that's going to give you the eye lift, the instant eye lift. So when you unscrew the eyeshadow, don't unscrew it a lot. Unscrew it maybe about 1/4 of an inch because it's creamy and it will break off. And when you put it on your eyelids, you want to blend it quickly because it does oxidize. It does oxidize and it gets very dry. You can also put a little eye cream on your eyelids so it doesn't get so dry. And but just remember to blend it quickly. So I'm going to start applying it. So you're going to, oops, see it's out a little bit too far. So you're going to blend it into the crease of your eye and don't go down too far. Bobbi Brown and I went to the same college. We both went to Emerson College. We were there at the same time. I didn't know her, and I don't think she knew me. And again, I'm not going to go all the way down here. I'm going to stop before I get to the outer corner of my eye. And I have my brush ready. I'm going to blend. Whoops! Jesus! This brush is alive. I'm going to blend it. So if you use eye cream, make sure you use it on the crease as well. I'm going to stop right there because we're going to add the wing later and give the wing a little special attention. An eye cream really makes a difference. So again, I'll link the eye cream I used below. Okay, so it should look like that. And let's move on to the other side. And I'm not going too far into the center of my eye either. We'll just blend that in. Here I go. I'm not going all the way out. And I too have droopy eyelids, even though I've been accused of having all sorts of plastic surgery, but I'm very flattered. I would love to be a mature makeup model for Bobbi Brown or any other up-and-coming makeup company that's really good, because only the best for my viewers and subscribers. I'd like to learn one makeup company and pass on all their great products to you. Okay, I think that's enough. This side needs a little more. This is such a beautiful buttery color. Bobbi Brown really knows color. Okay, I'm going to stop. I'm going to blend this eye before it gets too dry. And this came out really nice. Look at this beautiful color. It's so neutral. It's so pretty for the fall. Look at that. So let's move on to the wing that's going to give you an instant eye lift. Okay, so now it's time for the famous wing. Drum roll and spotlight for the wing. So what we're going to do is we are going to gently lift our eyelid. Always be gentle with your skin. And we're going to put the wing on. Remember, we're not going to go out like this. We're going to go up. Up like this. This is your instant eye lift. You can thank me. I'm buying you some time for that eye lift surgery. Go up. Like that. You can even sort of over exaggerate because we can always wipe it off. And remember to take your brush and blend it up. Never blend it out, always blend it up. Doesn't matter if your eye droops. Okay, let's see how that looks. Okay, that looks pretty good, actually. What do you think? It's blended pretty well. There's your instant eye lift. We'll look at it again at the end. So in order to get both sides symmetrical, because I want them both to match, I took a little piece of tape, about 3/4 of an inch of tape, and I blotted it on my hand first so it's not super sticky. And I matched it to the right side of my eye like this. And I'm going to take my cream shadow, and again, I'm going to pull my eyelid up and put the shadow on, like so. Okay, and I may have put too much here. I think I did, but I'll blend it off. Carefully remove the tape, and I have my brush, and I'm going to blend it. That looks pretty good. Notice that I'm anchoring my skin so that it doesn't stretch out. I'm anchoring it right like that so it doesn't stretch. I'm really into not stretching out my skin. Okay, so I have two symmetrical wings. This one actually could use just a little more color, so I'm going to add it on. And I have my wings going up. Nice, real nice. Anchoring my skin again so we don't stretch out our skin. And because this color is so neutral and it's almost like contouring our eyes, it's not going to look silly. Okay? See, I have two really beautiful wings. And now let's add some mascara. First, I'm going to use my eyelash curler. And I'm using brown Prime from NYX mascara. I like brown because it's very soft. For many years, I always wore black. But now that I'm older, I'm into very soft makeup. But if you want to use black, that's fine. The Prime from NYX black mascara is very soft, so sometimes I'll wear black if I'm going out at night. But this mascara is wonderful. So I start at the bottom, and I start in a zigzag motion, and I move up. It's really great mascara. It's voluminizing, it's thickening. Love this mascara. And then when I'm done, I always do the ends. This is a great everyday look. It's going to get easier and easier the more you do it. Again, I'm starting with a zigzag motion on the bottom. And following up with doing the tops of my lashes. I just really am loving using brown mascara. It's so pretty and so soft. This mascara is really pretty. So, what do you think? This is the final look. It gave me a lift, and it'll give you a lift too. What do you think? Now, would you like to go even further? This next step, if you want to go further, is so simple. Let's try it.